friends, I am teaching you the maths of class 10, area related to circle chapter 12. In the previous lecture I have explained that in question number 8. I am not explaining all the calculation part that you will do because full chapter based on the formula. Now we will see the question number 9 of this exercise 12.2. A brooch is made of with the silver wire. Brooch, that is the made of silver wire. First very important thing, it is made of the silver wire of form the circle with diameter 35 centimeter. It form a circle with diameter 35 mm brooch, and then wire is also used to making 5 diameters. 35 diameter is 35 circular, and then how many diameter for using? 5 diameters are there. 5 diameters are there total. Number of diameters are 5. And divide the circle into 10 equal parts. How many parts? 10 equal parts you are dividing. A circle you are making, and there is a 5 diameter. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, and one more is given here, then 5. All equal length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is a 10 sectors you are getting. So theta will be 360 by 10. How much? 36 degree. What is, how many sectors you are getting? 10 sectors you are getting in this. Divide in 10 equal sectors. So total length of the wire used. Total length of the wire used. 1, it is a circumference plus 5 diameters are there. So total length, first part, total length of wire used to make it is the circumference plus 5 diameters. Circumference means pi d plus 5d. Why 5d? Because 5 diameters are also given by the same wire. So d is common, pi plus 5. Put the values is the millimeter wire used to make the brooch. And the next part is given the area of the each sector. Each sector area means second part, area of each sector. How many sector it is divided? There is a two the formula you will get here. One area of circle divided by 10. Another area of circle r you divide by pi r square theta by 360. Area of circle divided by 10. Same thing I am telling you will get here. Theta 36. 36 will be cancelled, you get 10. So pi r square by 10. Same thing I am also telling you. So theta radius is equal to d by 2. That is 35 by 2 you write down here. Solve it, get the one sector area. Question number 10 is given. What is the question number 10 is given here? An umbrella have 8 ribs which are equally, umbrella you know, umbrella is forming the sector like this. Umbrella is forming a sector like this. These are the sector formed by the umbrellas. Okay, so how many sectors are there? These sectors are given 8 ribs. 8 ribs means 8 sectors are there. 8 ribs means 8 sectors you will divide. Assuming umbrella is flat, there is nothing, this exactly you are assuming like this it is. So what will you get? Find the area between the two consecutive ribs. Radius 45 centimeter is given. Radius is given 45 centimeter. Theta will be 360 divided by 8. 45 degree. What is the theta? So area between two ribs will be pi r square theta by 360. R, theta and pi is given. Question number 11. Question number 11 is given. A car has 2 wipers. You know, car has a 2 wiper like this, wipe the glasses. Car has the 2 wipers. Okay, one wiper is like this mix. Another is also like this mix. So wipe it. Okay, 2 wipers are there. Each wiper has the blade of 25 centimeters. 25 centimeter means radius is 25 centimeter. It is forming sector. This is forming sector, and the theta is given 150, 1150, 115 degree, 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. Question is very simple. Total area, so area of car swept in one, how each sweep, area of car swept means glass, area of glass swept in each sweep. Each sweep means how many wipers are there? 2. So twice into pi r square theta by 360. This means each sweep is not one. One is coming the one. There is a 2 blades. 2 blades are doing like this. One blade, another blade. So there you are getting the just double, and then you will get your answer. Question number 12. What is given the question number 12? In the question number 12, to warm ship for underwater rock, there is a light. Underwater rock you want to find out. 11, 12. What is given? A lighthouse sprayed a red color light over the sector of an angle 80 degree at distance 16.5. From here one red light is, so light comes and form the what? Sector. Light comes, these are the rays coming and they forming the sector and striking on the rock, that is 16.5 kilometer. How much length they are going inside? So it is the radius of the 16.5, and they are making the angle with 80 degree. What is given? 80 degree. So theta is 80 degree. Radius is 16.5 meter. So area of, what is given? Find the area of sea over which the sea is are warmed. So area of wand is equal to area of sector pi r square theta by 360. R is this, theta is this, pi is also given here. What is given? Without this you don't write any other value. What value is given? If you are writing any other value, they will not get the marks. Question number 13. A round table cover had 6 equal designs. A round table cover has 6 equal designs. 6 equal design it is making means hexagon. That is the round table cover is this. A round table cover is this, which is making 6 equal designs. What is the center? This. It means there is a theta. Theta, how many thetas are there? All the angles will be equal because regular means, so theta is equal to 360 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60 degree. What is given? 60 degree. So area of one design. You want to find out what is the, find the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees. So rate is given rupees 0.35 per centimeter square, and it is also given 28 centimeter radius. Radius is given 28 centimeter. Pi is not given. Root 3 is given 1.7. So area of one design. Area of one design is pi r square theta by 360 minus half r square. Area of segment. This design is in the segment, not the sector. So area of triangle, not half r square, because theta is 60 degree. Theta 60 degree, so you apply the equilateral formula root 3 by 4 r square. Put the value here and find out the area of one design, and there is a 6 design, so total area of the 6 design will be 6 multiplied by total area of design is equal to 6 into area of minor segment, what you are getting. So cost is equal to that, you find out into this rate. What area is there? by rate you multiply. Values are given. Question number 13 is over. Question number 14. Tick the correct answer. Area of sectors are given here. Area of sector means the denominator will be 360 and r square. So first A part is given P upon 180 into 2 pi r, not possible because here square is not there. B may be and D may be. A and C is rejected because there is not a square. So B, because denominator is 180, so it is not possible. For D we will check. For D we will check what is the given. P upon 720 into 2 pi r gives you 360. So P multi upon 360 into pi r. So part D is the correct answer because theta by 360 into pi r square is the area of sector. Theta is given P. That's all for today, and in the next lecture we will explain you others. Thanks.